Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Has your Epson printer suddenly stopped printing anything? For one-on-one assistance to fix the issue, please call us at the displayed numbers. Usually, the issue arises from pending print jobs or outdated printer driver and firmware. So, in this video, we'll look into each issue one by one and fix them. So let's begin. Method 1. Cancel all printer jobs. Go to Windows and open Control Panel. Open Hardware and Sound. Click on Devices and Printers. Right-click on the printer and click on See What's Printing. In the new window, click on the printer, then click on Cancel All Documents. In the confirmation box, select Yes to confirm your action. Now, check if your printer is working properly. If the printer is experiencing any other issue, let us know in the comments. If the issue still persists, let's move on to updating the firmware. Method 2. Update printer firmware. Open your browser and go to official website for the Epson firmware update. Scroll down and click on the Download it here hyperlink. In the Epson Software Updater page, scroll down and click the Download button according to your device's operating system. Save the file in your system and click on Save button. After downloading, navigate to the downloaded application, right-click on it and run as administrator. On the Epson EULA window, read the license agreement and select the Agree option, then click OK. In the Epson Software Update window, select your product. Wait for the Epson Software Updater to check for the software updates. After update appears in the Updater window, check the Firmware Updater and click on the Install Items button. Again, on the Epson EULA window, read the license agreement and select the Agree option, then click OK. Wait for the Firmware Updater to download. In the Epson Firmware Updater window, read the instructions and precautions for updating, then click on Start button. Hold back for a moment for the firmware update preparations to complete. Once the firmware update is completed, click on Finish and try printing again. If updating the firmware fixes the issue, please subscribe to our channel. In any case, let's update the printer driver to solve the issue. Method 3. Update printer driver. Open your browser and go to Epson's official support website. Scroll down until you see the section that says Search by product name or serial number. Type in your printer's name or serial number, click on Search, and then select your model from the list. Now, you'll be redirected to your printer's support page. From here, pick your operating system from the drop-down and click on Go. Next, open the Downloads tab and then expand the Drivers section. Find the latest driver available and click on the Download button. Once the file finishes downloading, open it up. You will see a confirmations box here. Click on Allow. A welcome window will open. Then go ahead and click on Continue. Read the license agreement and click on Continue. If you're asked to agree to the terms and conditions, click on Agree. When you get the Destination Select screen, choose the destination and click on Continue. On the Installation Type tab, click on Install. A pop-up window might show up asking for your password. Go ahead and type it in. Enter the password and click on Install Software. Now, The installer will start preparing and automatically begin installing everything for you. Once it's done, just click on Close and that's it. Your printer driver is installed and ready to go. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.